I recently released a short asking if you should build your own PC or if you should buy a pre-built gaming PC. Much to my surprise, over 850 of you have watched this video, many of you have left a comment, and over 30 of you have smashed that like button. And that told me, hey, a lot of people want to know more about this topic. See, I told you smashing that like button goes a long way in helping me out and helping you out. So with that being said, I figured, hey, why not make a full-fledged video on this topic, giving everyone all the details that they could possibly want to know about this very important subject. If you're getting into PC gaming, then this is definitely the first place you have to start. Do you build your own PC or do you buy a pre-built PC? We're going to talk about the pros and cons of each and ultimately which one I recommend and why. Before that, if you're new here and you like this type of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become part of the eRock on Deck community. We would absolutely love to have you. So what is a pre-built gaming PC and what are the pros and cons? A pre-built gaming PC is simply a computer that has already been put together by someone else so that all you have to do is simply buy it, unbox it, and turn it on and enjoy. In the PC gaming world, buying a pre-built PC is basically the equivalent of buying a console. Okay, so we know what a pre-built gaming PC is, but what is a custom gaming PC? A custom gaming PC is exactly what it sounds like. It is a fully custom gaming PC. In other words, you go out, you buy all the parts individually, you bring them back to your house and you put them all together yourself, and you're responsible for everything that happens to that PC. So what are the pros and cons here? Because obviously on the surface, it sounds a lot better to simply walk into a store, buy a pre-built gaming PC, take it home and wash your hands with it and simply be done. A pre-built PC can oftentimes be cheaper, especially right now in the middle of a pandemic whenever we have a worldwide shortage. People are paying thousands of dollars for a single PC component like the graphics card, whereas you can go buy an entire PC with a graphics card for around the same price. But even when we're not in the middle of a pandemic, a pre-built PC is oftentimes quite cheaper simply because all of these PCs are being manufactured in bulk, which always brings down the manufacturing costs. Pre-built gaming PCs also come with a warranty and full tech support, so quite often if something breaks, you have a hotline you can actually call and have someone walk you through things over the phone. And lastly, a pre-built PC is often widely available simply because in the gaming PC world, oftentimes custom building a PC is more popular so that there are plenty of pre-built PCs to go around. And right now proves that more than anything else, because if you try to go buy an RTX 3080, good luck. However, if you go to Newegg or NZXT and you start looking at pre-built PCs that have an RTX 3080, more than likely you're actually going to be able to buy one. It might be more than what you want to pay, but you're going to be able to buy one. Okay, so that sounds like a whole lot of pros to a pre-built gaming PC. So what are the cons? Well, first and foremost, a pre-built gaming PC can be harder to upgrade. I mean, after all, the beautiful part about gaming on a PC to begin with is the fact that you're not stuck with that hardware forever. On a pre-built PC, depending on which components they chose to put together, that may limit you on how easy it is to upgrade. You will be able to upgrade the PC, but it may be harder or actually cost you a little bit more money than what you expected. Another aspect I would put into the con category is less customization. So obviously, whenever you fully custom build your own PC, you pick every part individually. But whenever you go to a website and you buy a pre-built gaming PC, you're pretty much picking from the options that they have pre-selected for you. The biggest issue you will encounter when you buy a pre-built gaming PC is the fact that they do not always arrive working like they should. Not all pre-built gaming PCs are created equal. I have a buddy that plays a lot of Xbox, and I was trying to convince him to come on over to PC gaming. And ultimately, he decided to give it a try, so he went and he bought a pre-built gaming PC that he saw on sale around Black Friday or something like that. The PC arrives to his house. I call him and I say, hey man, how's it going? And he says, the fans aren't spinning, the RGB is not working, I have no idea what's going on. So I drove over to his house and sure enough, two of the fans were not even plugged in at all to anything. The whole reason why he bought this pre-built PC was simply because he wanted to unbox it, turn it on, and play it the exact same way that he would turn on an Xbox and play a game on the Xbox. But instead, he got a PC where two of the fans weren't even plugged in, and now he had no idea what to do. But that's it for the pre-built gaming PC. Now let's talk about custom gaming PCs. Okay, so the first pro of a custom built PC is full customization. That's right, whatever you want, you can have it. For example, my gaming PC that I built myself is inspired by the Blue Eyes White Dragon from Yu-Gi-Oh! It's mostly blue and white with black accents, and I got a little Seto Kaiba pop figure sitting on the inside. And the next time I do a custom PC build like this, I may do Pokemon or Dragon Ball Z. I'm not sure yet. Don't get me wrong, they make some really awesome looking pre-built gaming PCs. However, the level of customization you get when you decide to make the PC yourself from scratch, it just can't be matched. The second benefit of a custom gaming PC is simply the experience. You are going to learn from putting this PC together. You're going to understand how all the components come together to make this PC work and to make this PC functional. And now if something breaks or falls apart or needs to be upgraded, you are going to know exactly what to do. Going back to my friend with a pre-built gaming PC, if he had put that PC together himself, he would have known exactly what was wrong the moment the fans were not spinning. You can't undervalue the experience of putting a PC together. The final benefit of a custom gaming PC is the fact that you will get a more well-rounded put together PC, and oftentimes you will get a better value out of that PC. Oftentimes pre-built gaming PCs will go really premium on a couple of components like the CPU or the GPU, and then for all the other components they will go middle of the road or even bottom of the barrel in some cases, depending on which pre-built company you go with. Whereas when you custom build your PC, you can pick each individual component yourself and you can decide on which category you want. Do you want bottom of the barrel, budget, middle of the road, premium? It's up to you really, and you're going to be able to put together a more well-rounded and balanced system overall. Okay, so what are some of the cons about a custom gaming PC? Well, the first one should be quite obvious. It is more of a hassle and it is more complicated because after all, you are picking out all the parts, you are buying all the parts individually, you are putting all the parts together. It's going to take more time. Secondly, you are the tech support. So whereas a pre-built gaming PC will come with a full-fledged warranty and a customer service hotline that you can call, with a custom gaming PC, you do have warranties on individual components like the motherboard, the CPU, the GPU, etc. Ultimately, when something breaks or falls apart, you are tech support. And the last piece that I would put into the con category of a custom gaming PC is that you're always going to want more. You are going to know how every component inside of that PC comes together. And what you're ultimately going to think about a lot is, I need to save more money so that I can upgrade my RAM, so that I can upgrade my CPU, etc. And so ultimately you're going to always want to upgrade your system and pump more money into it. Okay, so we talked about all the pros and cons, so which one do I recommend? Normally, I would always recommend that you custom build your own PC. And honestly, it's for all the reasons that I just got finished telling you about. And honestly, the experience you get from putting together a PC is something that I think there is a lot of value in having. However, with all of that being said, as of right now, May 2021, we have a worldwide graphics card shortage, and it is incredibly hard to be able to get your hands on a graphics card and not pay thousands of dollars for it. If you're getting into PC gaming right now, I would have to recommend that you buy a pre-built gaming PC. The reason why is simply because there is no need in paying $1,500 to $2,000 for a single component like a graphics card when you can actually buy a full-fledged pre-built gaming PC with a new graphics card in it for around the same price. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. It goes a long way in helping me out. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and become part of the E-Rock community. We look forward to having you, and until next time, E-Rock out.
He kept following me around.
I mean, you had to hold the button.
Look, I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna vote anybody off based off of.
I'm voting.
Dude, are you freaking serious right now? What the? This is not even. Y'all are so stupid. Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking goodness.